Alright, hey, so can you guys hear me? This will be the quick guide for you to use Hyper-V. This is what you will get when you have Hyper-V installed. Alright, as you can see, this is a Hyper-V manager. All software that I gave you all inside the canvas is only for this Hyper-V manager. Alright, if your computer is compatible to run Hyper-V, after you install the future thing inside your computer as shown as inside the document that I gave to you, you will have this Hyper-V manager under your start button. Okay, how to use this? Okay, all right. When you start this, you may have none of this. This is my created virtual machine. All right, you probably won't have any of this if you never create a virtual machine before. So, how to create a virtual machine? You click new over here and then you click virtual machine. Alright? So, you will be greeted with this wizard. You just click next from the first page. Alright? You can name your virtual machine over here. For example, for me, I'm going to just name it Windows 10 PC1 probably. Okay? And then you can click the store the virtual machine in different location, just in case if you want to store it in different location. For me, it's going to be my S drive. All right, that's my virtual machine location, and I click next. When they ask you to specify generation, you choose generation 2. Assign memory, I would recommend you to at least have 2048 megabyte of memory, which is your RAM, but this depends on your machine. 1024 megabyte is fine as well. Click next. Configure networking, you can do this later on when you create your virtual switch. Okay, later on. Click next. Connect virtual hard disk. All right, the important thing about here that is you need to see the location, make sure the location is correct, and then for me I'm just put 20 gigabyte because that's enough for me. You click next, and installation option, you click install an operating system from bootable image file, which is the image file that I provide to you inside the canvas. All right, I already re-uploaded new image file because this image file is enterprise one. The one that I uploaded last time was the Windows 10 home version. You will need this enterprise version instead. Okay, click open, click next, and summary, you can click finish. All right, now it's creating the virtual machine for you. How to start the machine? You right click this, you click connect, and then this thing will pop up for you. You click start, and then they will ask you to press some button on your keyboard to continue. You just spam it, right? Any button on your keyboard. So basically, this is another machine on top of your actual computer. The thing about this is like, it won't disturb your current computer. Meaning that whatever thing that you do inside this virtual machine, maybe you got virus inside the virtual machine, you're trying to like run some kind of like weird program and all that, right? You can just delete the virtual machine and nothing will be affected on your computer, right? That's the good thing about virtual machine. It's something that you can test your program on, something that you can try to install stuff in, something that you can try to do a lot of stuff in. All right, so this is the Windows installation wizard. You just click custom over here. All right, custom, and this, you're gonna get this unallocated space. You just click next, and then you gotta wait. All right. Alright, so sorry this video going to be really fast because I just record it and you just straight up upload it as fast as possible. So there won't be any kind of like visual effect or like whatever, any kind of like production value or something, you know, like as long as I can get this out as soon as possible to help you all with the Hyper-V virtual machine thing. Whether you are the senior students or like student who just started with networking. Now it will prompt you to restart your virtual machine after you completing your installation. Alright, as you can see over here, it's loading. Let it be for a bit. Okay, now you get inside this screen. You can just click customize setting and disable everything as usual. This is for your own good when you use any computer anyway. Right, just a moment. Come on. Alright, username usually gonna be Jack, Jill or something. Okay, enter password. This is usually our lab password, pa55w.rd. pa55w.rd. Password in, usual lab password. Next. Hi, and this is your Windows 10 Enterprise virtual machine. Alright, there's one more trick that you will need when you use virtual machine. Let me teach you this one for a bit. Come on. Alright, this is your Windows 10 virtual machine, okay? Before you start doing a lot of stuff inside the virtual machine, alright, you can click this checkpoint thing. Alright, click the checkpoint. Okay, a checkpoint of Windows 10 PC1 is now been taken. Type a name if you do not want to use a default name. Do you want to rename the checkpoint? Yes, maybe just like default 1. Alright, default 1. Just click next. Yes. Alright. What is the default 1 do for you? Like basically, example is whatever you change in this virtual machine. For example, let me just change a profile picture. Okay, let me just do something over here, just because I didn't activate this machine yet, since I just installed it directly. Okay, alright, and then I click revert. Alright, start. Alright, there you go. All the thing gone again just now. Like sometimes it may fail to revert because I revert it wrongly because I didn't I didn't shut down it first. And let's try that again, I guess. I'll just put here. I'll just put here, and then I just shut down. Shut down. Shutdown succeeded, and I click revert. Revert succeeded because I shut down beforehand. Let's start again, and it restore to this state again, where nothing happened to the computer, but it's fully installed perfectly. Alright, so that's all. Hopefully you all can try this or something. Okay. Alright, sorry for the quick video. I hope everyone doing well, and please don't install the Windows or the software that I gave to you, the 3 required software that I gave to you. Don't install it directly on your actual machine, but only inside the Hyper-V Manager thing. Alright, okay.